San Diego Fire Rescue is moving toward taking over provider responsibilities for San Diego's emergency medical services, or EMS. It means that the city's current ambulance contractor, Falck, will no longer be in control of billing or where ambulances are stationed.
We are going to dictate how many hours, the deployment model, the days, the scheduling, all of that. All we would be contracting for with the private providers for the ambulance and the personnel and the supplies that are carried on that ambulance.
Fire Rescue Chief Colin Stoll says it's a significant change, but one that he's seen be successful elsewhere. Since Falck took over the 911 contract in late 2021, they've yet to meet their promised staffing goals. This new model will allow the city to bring in a secondary provider to backfill any missing hours. But this step would also mean the city is on the hook for collecting transport fees, and ambulance providers would be paid a set rate.
It really is a way to efficiently provide these services while you still have the oversight resting with the public agencies. And I've said it before that public safety should be in control and the oversight should be by a public agency.
Falck San Diego's managing director, Jeff Boehm, says it's a win-win. More ambulances will be on the streets and the workload is spread out among first responders.
And I think that is something that we feel confident in. And as long as we're continuing to work collectively and collaboratively with the fire department, we think it's going to be a great success.
This new system is going to take a few months to set up. In the meantime, the plan is to have Falck subcontract any missing paramedic hours to another provider.
You wouldn't think that you would do this, those are your competitors, but you get into a market where you're short-staffed and you have demand and you're trying to reach it. And so you have to work together.
All of these changes require approval from the San Diego City Council. Falck officials say in the meantime, their staffing is improving thanks to a sign-on bonus, and they've announced a tentative agreement with existing employees to raise wages over the next 3 years. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.